Hello everyone. Welcome in class 8th English grammar. Students, today we are going to read a very important topic of English grammar, that is mood. This is the 8th lesson of English grammar, students. So come on, let's start reading the lesson. What is mood? Students, mood refers to the form of a verb that indicates whether the speaker is expressing a statement, question, command, request, or wish. Students, mood refers to the form of a verb that indicates that whether the speaker is expressing a statement, a question, command, request, or wish. So, with the help of these examples, we will make it clear. Number one. Example number one, students, here Tarun said that he was hungry. So, here, student, this is a type of statement. Now, number two, I wish I had a dog. Here, this sentence expresses what? A wish. Now, number three, did you wipe the plates after washing them? So, here, student, this is a type of question. So, student, we have got here that there are three sentences, but they indicate what? The first sentence expresses a statement, second sentence expresses wish, third sentence expresses question. So, these are what? These are the forms of verb that indicate different expressions. So, this is what? This is mood. Now, student, there are three kinds of mood: indicative mood, imperative mood, and subjunctive mood. Now, one by one, we will read here that what is indicative, imperative, and subjunctive mood. So, number one, student, indicative mood. What is indicative mood? Students, indicative mood expresses statements and questions. It's very clear here. Indicative mood expresses statement and questions. So, some examples are given here, student. Example number A. First, Rakesh climbed the mango tree deftly. So, this statement, this is a type of statement. Number two, student, what do you think about my new car? So, this sentence indicate what? Question. Now, number three, did you enjoy reading that novel? So, third sentence also is a question. Number four, Shreya wants to have chicken for lunch. So, student, here fourth sentence is a statement. So, we can say here that these sentences are written and they are expresses. They express here what? Statement and question, and that's why they are in indicative mood. Now, the next one, students. Imperative mood. What is imperative mood? Students, imperative mood expresses commands, instructions, request, and advice. Now, with the help of example, look at the example, student. Number one, pay the dues on the first of every month. So, this is a type of what? This is a type of instruction. Number two, please take care of your health. So, this is a type of what? This expresses advice. Now, number three, wait here for the bus. So, this is a type of what? Order. So, student, here the first sentence expresses instruction, second sentence expresses advice, and third sentence expresses command. And these are what? These are in imperative mood. Now, number three, student, subjunctive mood. What is subjunctive mood? Students, subjunctive mood convey wishes, suggestions, demands, and hypothetical situation. So, once again, student, subjunctive mood convey wishes, suggestions, demand, and hypothetical situation. So number 1 student, I wish I were alive when Michael Jackson came to India. So this sentence indicate what? This sentence indicate wish. Second sentence student, Kiran demanded that the menu be changed. So what is this here? This is a type of demand. Number 3 student, if Rohan could become any animal, he would choose to be a rhinoceros. So student, here this is what? This is a hypothetical situation. This indicate what? This expresses hypothetical situation. So student, we have got here that the first sentence expresses wish, second sentence expresses demand, and the third sentence expresses hypothetical situation. So these are in which mood? These sentences are in subjunctive mood. So student, we have got here that there are 3 types of mood: indicative mood, imperative mood, and subjunctive mood. We have got the examples to students. So thank you for watching the video student. Keep watching my videos.